This is the holy city of Mashhad. The divine shrine of Imam Reza has blessed the city, and a well-active benefactress has established a center for training and creating job opportunities under Rihanat al-Nabi charity organization.
سلام. خواهش میکنم بفرمایید. خواهش میکنم.
In addition to their efficient presence in various fields, Iranian women, and in particular Muslim women, have been leading the way in charitable and philanthropic works, and they don't hesitate to devote their wealth for setting up charity groups. Mrs Shaikh Momeni, who has obtained a certificate in diminishing poverty from United Nations and the World Bank, has been elected as a role model in Khorasan Razavi province for creating job opportunities. In Quranic verses, endowment has been regarded as philanthropic and God-favoring act, so Mrs Shaikh Momeni has entrusted her properties to needy and ill people and has created many job opportunities for women and young forces. A young man who has a job, thanks to the efforts of Mrs Momeni, speaks to us.
واقعا در حق ما مادری کردن. حالا ما این کارهایی که میام انجام میدیم به خصوص با تشویق ایشون هستش که ما میتونیم کارمون رو ادامه بدیم. حالا این فضایی که برای ما تهیه شده که خب خیلی خوبه، ما میتونیم کاری انجام بدیم، ولی تشویقایی که ایشون در طول مسیر برای ما دارن باعث دلگرمیه و اینه که ما میتونیم این کارا رو انجام بدیم.
خیلی زحمت کشیدن، تلاش کردن و زحمت کشیدن.
Having dialogues, parallel thinking, and consultation is Mrs Momeni's management method to bring out capabilities in women. Mrs Shaikh Momeni has been selected as one of the female role models of the country by the Ministry of Guidance in Islamic Culture as well as the Center for Women and Family Affairs. The essence of her effort and success has offered a pleasurable warmth to this kind woman's family, and she has illustrated the art of living well in the love for the country.